everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. So we are going to continue with our Valentine's Day series, and what I am bringing to you all today is something that I just came up with, something that I wanted to try. So I decided to create a video about it, and I hope that it goes well. So my inspiration came from the Smartie candy. Some parents do not like their kids to eat a lot of candy, or they just want other options. So here is your other option. So I'm going to lower my camera down so that you can see the materials that you would need for your project. Okay, so you would need a pool noodle. I purchased mine from not Joanns, I'm sorry. I purchased mine from Dollar Tree. You would need some fabric pans to hold your socks in place. Okay, you will also need some clear cellophane, and I purchased this from Dollar Tree. You will see what we would do with this piece in a second. You will also need some ribbon to tie on the ends of your socks, and lastly you will need socks of your choice. Okay, so the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the paper and plastic from my socks. I am a Tweety fan, so I have so many pairs of Tweety socks that I haven't even opened the package. I just have packs in my drawers, so I decided to use them and hopefully somebody get inspired. I believe this was a 5-pack. Okay, so if I need Lola Bunny, I would add her, but if not, I want to make it strictly all about Tweety Bird. So whatever has Tweety on it, that's what I'm going to use. These are ones with Sylvester in it, so I'm going to put those to the side. Okay, and I have a total of 2, 4, 6, 7 pairs of socks. My pool noodle measures 21.5 inches long. But you can make yours longer or shorter, whatever you choose to do. So the first step is to lay your socks in place in the order in which you want them to be in. I am just kind of eyeballing mine from the bigger body versus, like, I don't know, like random pieces. I mean, random faces of Tweety Bird. But we'll see how that looks. Doesn't have to be perfect. Again, it's yours. You can make it however you like. Okay, that was perfect. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. And now you want to get your fabric pan, and you just want to make sure that your socks is tight. Okay, so the next step will be to get your cellophane piece, place your socks right sides facing down. This is our back. And I also forgot to mention that you will need some tape. Okay, so we can tape our cellophane down. So once you have it to where you like it, you can begin to tape this shut. Okay, now that we have our cellophane wrapped around our socks, I have already done one side where I just placed the tape around it just to help it close tighter when you put your bow on. So I grabbed the end, I kind of turned it a bit, and then I placed the tape around. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfect, because remember, we're going to add our bow. Now this is how it looks so far. Now we have to add our ribbon. Okay, both of our bows are on the end, and this is our final look. Turns out really, really good. I love it. And do not forget, our inspiration is our Smartie candy. So if you guys decide to do this project, please tag me, and also let me know if you have any other videos that you would like to see. This is my first time creating this product. I hope that you all liked it. And we have plenty more Valentine's Day projects coming soon. Again, thank you all for tuning in. And don't hesitate to ask any questions at the bottom. See you guys in my next video. Bye.